Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you over the video. Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. In Tagalog, magandang hapon, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD-MSCD. In English, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD-MSCD, speaking to you over the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am author, writer of 24 books. Yes, 24. And coming soon are my books, and two of them are right here in front of you. My first book, number 1, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. On the right is an English Tagalog version book, Christ Like Mom and Dad, in Tagalog, Maka-Diyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay, written by yours truly, Ms. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe. And all my 24 books, yes, 24, coming soon are my books with God's help. You'll find Speak Tagalog, you'll find at outskirtspress.com, also at Amazon, and Christ Like Mom and Dad, Maka-Diyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay in Tagalog. You'll find at Amazon as well, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my website, juanitabutierrez.com. I would like to honor, give my love, light, and gratitude, our Creator source within our heartbeats. We are all gods and goddesses. And also my beloved mom and dad, my brothers and sisters and their own families, and all of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart, so that you could be updated in all my videos and we could grow together and have some fun. Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And today, by this time, I think you know how to pronounce Tagalog. Tagalog. First syllable ka, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable, so you pronounce it, or bigkas in Tagalog, Tagalog, Tagalog. And we're going to study pantukoy, article in English. First syllable pan, second syllable tu, third syllable koy. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this, or bigkas, pantukoy, 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 article in English. And there are two kinds. Tiyak, that is definite article. Tiyak, first syllable ti, second syllable yak. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this as tiyak, tiyak, definite article. Example, ang, babae. In English, the girl. So, ang is the, babae is girl. So, you pronounce this ang. That's one syllable. And that's the. Babae. That's girl. First syllable ba. Second syllable ba. Third syllable eh. The second syllable ba has the accent, so you pronounce this as babae. Babae. That's girl in English. So that's tiyak. Tiyak, definite article. Example, ang babae, the girl. The is the pantukoy or article. Second kind is hindi tiyak, indefinite article in English. Hindi, first syllable hin, second syllable di. The second syllable is the accent, so you pronounce this as hindi, hindi, tiyak, tiyak. First syllable ti, second syllable yak. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or because tiyak, tiyak. Hindi, tiyak. Hindi, tiyak. In English, indefinite article. Example, halimbawa, sa is the article or pantukoy or article. Sa pera lang. In English, only money. Sa, first syllable sa. Pera, pera. First syllable pe. Second syllable ra. The accent is in the first syllable. Pera, pera. Lang, lang. Only money. So this is indefinite article. Hindi, tiyak. Hindi, tiyak. Let's review. Tagalog, Tagalog, pantukoy, article. First syllable pan, second syllable tu, third syllable koy. The accent is in the second syllable, so you pronounce this or bigkas in Tagalog, pantukoy, 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 article. And there are two kinds of pantukoy or article. First is tiyak. That means definite article. Article is pantukoy. So tiyak, first syllable ti, second syllable yak. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this as tiyak, tiyak. Definite article. Example, ang babae. Ang is the. That's the pantukoy or article that is definite article. Tiyak, tiyak. So, ang babae, the girl in English. So, ang is the pantukoy or article that is definite article. Tiyak. Ang babae, the girl. First syllable ba, second syllable ba, third syllable e. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or because babae, babae, babae. That is girl. So that is the pantukoy or article, definite article in Tagalog, ang, the, babae, girl. Second kind of pantukoy or types or of article, hindi, tiyak, indefinite article. First syllable hin, second syllable di. Hindi. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or because hindi, hindi, tiyak, tiyak. First syllable ti, second syllable yak. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this as tiyak, tiyak. That means indefinite article. Hindi, tiyak, indefinite article. Example, sa. Sa is the indefinite article. General. Sa pera lang, only money. Sa is the indefinite article or hindi tiyak na pantukoy, pantukoy article. So, sa pera lang, pera, pera, pera. First syllable pe, second syllable ra. The first syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this as pera. That means money. Lang. Sa pera lang, only money. So sa is hindi tiyak, indefinite article, pantukoy article. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, author of Speak Tagalog, a Basic Primer, and Christ-Like Mom and Dad, English Tagalog version. The Tagalog version is Maka-Diyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay, written by your student Ms. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, PSCD, MNC. Thank you all for watching. In Tagalog, marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. In English, thank you all so very much for watching. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, PSCD, MNCD. Blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. Enjoy your day. So always, I love you all.